HVAC people!
All right, what's going on?
Well, the other one decided to burn up. So one day me and my mom were cooking, and my sister was here, and I said, why is the house so humid? So I checked, the compressor went off, the breaker tripped.
Okay.
And then I went out there and I smelled burning.
Okay.
So, pretty much, they said the other guy, the same guy the first time, they're going through the same routine as last time. And the first guy was like, oh, replaced, it can't be repaired. And then he goes, this was a warranty. And then he goes, it was like, I told him, there's like 3 clowns. It was terrible. I mean, I can't believe they sent it to me again. And then he backs out. And then we have to start all over again.
Sound like deja vu, huh?
Yeah. So, now I was gonna ask you, okay, if that if the breaker's off, because I had center point come out and check it, the line, to make sure it didn't burn my line. It didn't burn my line, it's okay.
Where?
The breaker's in there. He turned it off, it's off. And now, I can still use the heater right when it starts getting cold?
Yeah, because that's just trying to have.
Okay, it's a separate thing? Okay, good, because it's going to get cold, and I don't want my mom to, to freeze the bed.
Right. Yeah. Well, hopefully it don't take this long this time. I'm a troubleshooter, but can you show me the breaker?
You want to start breaking first?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, he opened the wires and checked the wires and everything. You watch over the bird here.
Okay.
Oh, my camera is back there in the back.
All right. Oh, man. He started laughing, huh?
He must have liked you, because usually he yells. He must have a good, what do you call it, aura. The wires.
Hey, buddy. What's your name?
See, there's the wires. There's nothing wrong with the wires. That's what the AC breaker is.
Yeah.
See, it didn't burn out.
Yeah.
Okay. So, it's off. Did you turn it on?
No, I'm gonna leave it out.
I was gonna say, because when he came, when he tried to put that thing, because I guess now there's a short, because the compressor went out, it sparkled on him, but he was an electrician, so.
Right. Yeah, I'm gonna take a look at it.
Okay.
And see what we got.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Got a dinosaur here, don't we? Yeah, it's the. So they say compressor grounded. Man, this whole thing. What year is this? Got a new one right here. Shouldn't even troubleshoot this thing. Just replace it. But I'm not. The decompressor grounded though. If it's a loose wire or something, you know how to fix it. But if this compressor grounded, just gotta replace it. Yeah, I'm gonna check the compressor, and if it's grounded or something, I will just replace this unit. It's warranty. They'll probably try to talk.
Yeah, they got. No, I know. Last time I went ahead, so they had. So I was telling that. Yeah, it did. I was telling her. I said, well, first they promised me a Lennox, and then it went from a Lennox to a GE, and I don't know what Goodman coils, and then they turned around the next week. Thing it was like taking too long, so I just took the cash out. They don't pay you very much.
Yeah.
But,
so I see they got the wires loose here. Did they
well, they were messing with it that day. That guy.
Yeah.
That one said, I told you the 3 clowns.
Yeah.
They were moving everything in there.
Yeah.
Now the coils are only 8 years old.
The inside.
Inside in the heater too, and they're Lennox, 4-ton.
Okay.
So can they still use those coils, or they?
I might have to take a look at it. Might have to change the expansion valve out.
Yeah, because this is R22.
It's R22, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll have to flush it out. We may be able to use them, see what kind of condition it's in. Yeah, it's all burnt up here. I can check and see if it's grounded, but
okay.
It's probably, yeah. I see why it sparked though, because they got the wires loose.
Yeah, well, that guy, when those guys came out,
Mm-hmm.
they moved everything, and then I came back, and then I called the electrician because they said, oh.
Yeah, as soon as he turned it on, it probably sparked. It should have at least taped it up or something.
Well, what happened is the other company came out with a thing, and then they said, oh, it was the wires that burned it. I said, okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and get my center point to come out and look at it and see if it was the wires. She said, no, it's not the wires.
Yeah, but like I say, if they left it loose like this though, and then the center port come out.
No, not a center port didn't loose. The other guys, the first guys, yeah.
Right. So when they came out,
yeah, well,
see the wire just touching. Yeah.
Yeah, because it wasn't sparking.
Yeah.
And then when I said, well, that's weird because I didn't see it spark the first time.
Yeah.
But,
yeah. Let me clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna check the compressor for ground and see what we got. All right.
Just knock on the back door.
Okay. Hey, excuse. So I need to get you to go back in there to turn the breaker on.
That one is flipped.
This one is flipped.
The center point guy flipped it.
Okay.
Where it's not even plugged in.
Yeah, this one bad too. If you will, just go ahead and turn it on for me.
The breaker?
Yeah.
Okay.
Like I said, I can't. Let me stand back. I hope that's the right one. Because sometimes they have them things crossed. Let me know when they flipped it. All right, you flipped it?
It's live. I was going to tell you.
Okay, thank you. Sometimes it might just be the wire though, and they didn't try to fix it. Cause they did mention the wires, but all right. So we got 240 right there. Make sure we did. We got 240 at the breaker. Just coming in here, 0. Yellow right here, red at the bottom. Yeah. No, I need ain't really no need to be checking this. I'm gonna show you. You see this whole terminal look like. It's loose right here. See that? The whole pecker head is gone. This terminal right here. It probably blew his charge right here too. That's loose. So we need a new unit. Like I say, I was gonna check at the ground, but really no need of that. Like I said, I'm not gonna put a new compressor up in here. Might well get some under warranty. The warranty company, they'll like to just replace this compressor on this old unit. We're not doing that. Once I tell them like it's leaking, cause it is leaking, this thing, it'll be flat, most likely with that pecker head right there. Yeah. It's grounded though, but continuity. There you go, right there. See, I got it on this copper right here. And it's beeping on continuity, so it's definitely grounded. So ain't no need to fixing the wire. Rather be safe than sorry though. I wonder what year this thing is. There we go. Heat pump 19. So I'm looking for a date. Which I don't see one. I don't even see the serial number. I see the model number. Anyway, I'm gonna go take a look at that coil, see if it's compatible with a 410A condenser unit. Well, I bet you this sucker hit bad. Look at that, that's probably the original filter. Well, anyway, I know he got gas on the inside, so we're definitely not going back with a heat pump. Okay, you used to have a heat pump right here also. So we just go straight cool split system. I was looking for the little old emblem for Z-Man. Isaiah, but I don't see one, Zay. It's an old unit, but it's the only little emblem they got on here. I know you don't want that. I know you like these little things. Alright, anyway, I'm gonna take a look at the inside unit, the evap. Should have a R22 TXV or Orphis on there, and we'll write it up and see if we can get another condenser unit. All right.